is going on, fam? So we are currently at a rollout spot and we're getting ready to head out to Staggered. We're still waiting on a few more people, but we got Kevin out here in the FA1 and we got my chauffeur today, Gerb, with the FG2. I'm gonna be sitting shotgun today. I didn't bring out the FD. I'm gonna be filming some rollers of everyone. So we got the FG and we got a Mugen SI, the daily, but she's staying here. We got Austin here, the caddy, the satin boy. We got Bryce, ST, and should have a few more cars pulling up.
Cam's pulling up in the street bike. His Cobalt is currently RIP, so he's coming. And then I think we have a couple WRXs if we're lucky. Kind of an early start this morning. It is what it is. Hopefully 10 o'clock people start rolling in.
And before everyone asks, yes, this is a legit Mugen Civic Si. This is obviously the 2008 Mugen. He's got a hybrid short shifter. And we just had the hood open a little bit ago. He's got the cold air J37.
Spectating. Go along the fence around that ocean.
Thank you, sir. And we got Gerb Productions pulling through, everybody. Gerb Productions. That's Gerb.
Looking good.
That's Gerb.
The Gerblets.
The Gerblets.
The Herblets?
Yes, sir.
Should I do a burnout in the grass, dude? Snap my axle.
Say what up, yo. Come up a little bit more. You're good right there, Papa. Yo, yo.
I'm packing, baby.
Yes, sir. Kev boy. Looking nice and low out here in the FA1, yo. She on the grass, bruh. Yo, where's the rest of the squadrons? Are they showing?
Yeah.
They are?
Yeah, your boy in the Cadillac and the Mugen attack.
Word. These dudes literally just pulled up and hitched a tent. Yo, bro, is that thing boosted? It's boosted, right? How much PSI you pushing out of that?
No, this ain't mine.
Out here at Staggered. Nice Lexus over there. GS300. I could definitely see myself driving one of these in the future. I do like the S14 chassis. I also like the S13s. Those are nice. Cannot go wrong with a Nissan Silvia. Got the Yada winking at us, yo. We got a little bit of everything today, guys. We got some American muscle as well, of course. We even got some bikes out here. R32 passed a little bit ago, GTR. Got a nice spectator lot, honestly. Yo, how we feeling today, my guy?
It's very spiritual, bro. I'm soaking the sunlight up. I'm tired, I got a headache, but I'm positive because the ride here was amazing.
That's right.
and there's about to be a crazy show.
Dude,
so
don't even remind me though. Dude, I got a headache too. Yo, we're breathing in these dudes' fumes, yo.
Too much fumes.
Yo, my guy on that
Stay
conservative.
stock, ECU, don't ever go tuned.
True. Yo, we got a little kid over here just drooling over the vet, yo.
I got a little 2-inch Woody, bro.
My D series would take that, bro. Yo,
Yeah, around the bends.
yo, look at this little 9th gen, dude, in the spectator lot.
Is it crispy?
It's kind of crisp.
I actually like it, dude.
I like it. I like those
RPF ones.
I love the RPF ones, as you guys already know. And yo, it matches his shifter inside. Dude, his seats are blue. Dude, this thing is sweet. Got the retros. Chino, what you doing in the spectator lot, bro? This thing's clean, man. Nice whip, bro. What's that, dude? Right that way.
Yeah, you gotta go up over this bridge.
Right over the bridge. Yo, sweet ride, bro.
It's mad familiar.
Yo, I've always wanted one of these cars. 300ZX. Nice ride, bro. Bad, dude.
Yeah.
Yo,
You're me the truck out here. I need to come in.
that's the Ford guy, Mr.
Yo,
Ford.
Billy's exposing
sell it.
everybody today. Look at him.
I could sell it.
You could sell it, yeah. Nice GTR, bruh. This is super. What's good, bro? How we doing? Chilling.
You got a nice spot, right?
Yeah, dude. We got Oak's Garage out here. My guy's showing off that hentai action. Like I said, guys, 300ZX is one of my dream cars. If I can get my hands on one of these for a decent price, I would definitely bite the bullet on it. Got an FD RX-7 on the work VS wheels. I can't tell. You guys think this thing does burnouts?
Not gonna lie, there was
Yo, that's Cooper over there, guys. K24 A2 EG sedan. Used to have one of these. Really missed my old EG. Race equipped. Got the roll cage in the back. It's running what, like 78 hash ports?
It's really small intake, dude.
Dude, that's like a two and a half.
Like a 2.5.
What is that? Skunk Tooth throttle body? Yeah.
I'm trying to figure out what header he has.